Hey everyone, this is Cal Bowers, VP of Growth here at RōBEX. It's my honor to welcome a good friend of ours, Mr. Soren Nielsen, President of MiR. Soren's visiting America from Denmark, and we're glad he is able to find some time to stop by and say hello to the folks here at RōBEX in Petersburg, Ohio. Soren, welcome to RōBEX. Appreciate you stopping by.
Thank you very much, Cal.
Yep. So I'm going to ask a couple of easy questions for Soren just to talk about the AMR world and MiR, where it plays in now and in the future. So Soren, give us a high-level answer, a high-level thought on the AMR business 2022 and moving forward as it relates to your thought process leading one of the top companies in the world.
We are in a fantastically interesting spot. There's a lot of things giving us tailwind, labor shortage, logistic problems, lots of things that is bringing new opportunities for our products. And our products are, of course, all the time getting more and more mature, being able to solve more and more challenging tasks. So we are seeing fleet sizes grow bigger and bigger, and the requirement from our customers is also getting higher and higher. So all in all, we're just progressing in a very good direction.
So as the leader of MiR, with you and your team over in Europe and also over here in America, where do you see MiR playing a big role in 2022 and on as it relates to the ever-changing landscape of the autonomous mobile robot world?
Yeah, we've brought new products this year with the MiR Hook for the MiR 250. We see lots of potential for the MiR Hook in the logistics space. Driving with carts, customer carts that doesn't have to be modified. Lots of potential for that. We introduced the MiR 600 and 1350, which are IP52. There's going to come an IP54 version as well, so we can drive in the most ruggedized industrial environments. Lots and lots of opportunities with those two products.
Right.
Next year is going to bring new products as well. Probably more in the software space than in the hardware, but maturing the software for bigger and bigger fleets and more demanding applications.
Well, as one of the first certified system integrators for MiR, RōBEX was a few years back when you first got into the U.S. We appreciate all you do for us and then allowing us to be one of the leaders in the industry. So thanks, Soren, for all your time and your work. Thank you.
Thank you.